5 biggest keto diet mistakes. Stop doing these. Hey, everyone. If you've been on keto but aren't losing weight as fast as you expected, or maybe you're feeling stuck, chances are you're making one of these common mistakes. A lot of people start keto the right way, but small errors add up and slow down their progress. Today, I'm going to walk you through the 5 biggest keto mistakes that might be ruining your results, and more importantly, how to fix them so you can burn fat faster and feel better on keto. Make sure you watch until the end, because mistake number 5 is one that almost everyone makes, and it could be the reason why you're not seeing the results you want. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Eating too much dairy. Dairy is keto friendly, but here's the problem. Eating too much can stop fat loss. Yes, cheese, heavy cream, and Greek yogurt are all low carb, but they still have carbs. When you eat too much dairy, those carbs add up quickly without you realizing it. Another issue is that dairy is very calorie dense. If you snack on cheese all day, it's easy to overeat and slow down weight loss. And for some people, dairy can cause bloating and inflammation, which makes fat loss even harder. How to fix it? Control your portions. Stick to small amounts of cheese and cream. Try dairy-free alternatives. Coconut milk, almond milk, and dairy-free cheese can help. Be mindful of hidden carbs. Read nutrition labels and track your intake. Mistake number 2. Not eating enough fat. A lot of people start keto but still fear fat. They cut out carbs, but don't increase their fat intake, and that leads to low energy, constant hunger, and frustration. Keto works because your body switches from burning carbs to burning fat for energy. But if you don't eat enough fat, your body doesn't have enough fuel, and you'll feel tired and sluggish. How to fix it? Eat more healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, olive oil, butter, and fatty meats are great sources. Cook with fat. Use butter, ghee, or coconut oil to increase your fat intake. Try adding MCT oil. MCT oil boosts energy and helps with ketosis. If you're feeling hungry all the time on keto, this could be why. Make sure you're eating enough fat so your body has the energy it needs. Mistake number 3. Hidden carbs. Sneaking into your diet. You think you're doing keto, but in reality, hidden carbs are sabotaging your progress. Carbs can sneak into your diet from sauces, dressings, processed foods, and even vegetables. Just because something says low carb on the label doesn't mean it's truly keto friendly. Even a little bit of sugar can kick you out of ketosis and slow down fat burning. How to fix it? Read ingredient labels. Avoid foods with maltodextrin, dextrose, and high fructose corn syrup. Stick to whole foods. Meat, eggs, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats are your best choices. Be careful with keto snacks. Many packaged keto foods still have hidden sugars. One of the biggest hidden carb culprits, nut butters and flavored coffee creamers. They seem harmless, but they often contain added sugars that add up fast. If you're serious about losing weight on keto, you have to track everything you eat, even the small things. Mistake number 4. Not getting enough electrolytes. Have you ever started keto and felt dizzy, exhausted, or got muscle cramps? That's not keto flu, it's an electrolyte imbalance. When you cut out carbs, your body flushes out a lot of water. With that water, you also lose sodium, potassium, and magnesium, the 3 key electrolytes that keep your body functioning properly. If you don't replace them, you'll feel weak, tired, and may even get headaches. How to fix it? Increase your salt intake. Use Himalayan pink salt or sea salt on your food. Eat more potassium-rich foods. Avocados, spinach, and salmon are great sources. Take magnesium supplements. Helps with muscle cramps, energy, and better sleep. If you're feeling low energy on keto, you're probably not getting enough electrolytes. Fix this, and you'll feel way better. Mistake number 5. Expecting instant results and giving up too soon. This is the biggest mistake of all, expecting keto to work like magic overnight. A lot of people give up after a week or 2 because they don't see dramatic weight loss right away. But here's the truth. Keto isn't just about losing weight, it's about fixing your metabolism. Some people drop weight fast in the first week because of water loss. But after that, Real fat loss takes time. If you expect the scale to drop every day, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. How to fix it? Be patient and stay consistent. Keto works when you stick with it. Measure progress the right way. Don't just look at the scale. Track inches lost and how your clothes fit. Trust the process. Your body needs time to adapt to burning fat for fuel. If you've ever thought, keto isn't working for me, ask yourself, did you actually give it enough time? Stay consistent, and you will see results. Final thoughts: if you've been making any of these mistakes, don't worry, now you know how to fix them. Just remember, limit your dairy intake. Eat enough healthy fats. Watch out for hidden carbs. Keep your electrolytes balanced. Be patient and trust the process. Keto works when you do it right. So take action today, fix these mistakes, and you'll see faster fat loss and better results. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you made? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more keto tips and recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.